It's like a little bit dark. Okay, I'm just gonna
do this. Will that work?
Huh?
Kind of.
It's like
a little bit dark.
Hey, give me that one.
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. My business.
Wait. Don't put it here. Smile, look at the camera.
Oh my god, I want to open this big one.
Alright, Lorena. Gotta come this way. Trash it there.
Okay, I'll just
Lorena,
Oh my
smile.
Okay.
You like it?
Ba-da-ba-ba. Yes! I knew it! See, I knew it! I saw this one on the internet.
Oh
my gosh, I got a sewing machine!
You're right, it was a My Life doll.
Lorena, smile.
Oh my god. Thank you, Princess. Thank you.
Okay. That's my reaction to the sewing machine.
Oh, yeah.
Cause that's good.
Sorry.
I got a sewing machine and I knew it. I knew it. Okay. So, I just plugged it in. Oh my god, I was screaming the first time I saw it. I just plugged it in and you can see as the light is on and stuff and all that. Okay, it's complicated. But I'm going to be reading the manual and stuff. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos and stuff. So yeah, and here's like the foot pedal to work it. Oh my god, I love this so much. And if you want to like use this to go slow on it, then you can do that. This is something. This is the compartment. This is where you do a back stitch. This is all the stitches here. And I forgot what that was. I think it was a tension or something like that. But yeah, I put everything in my little sewing kit and stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. What?
Hi, guys.
It looks a little foggy in this light or something. No. Okay. Okay, so today was a very exciting day.
Or glasses. Hey, My Life doll's glasses are right here. See? They're right here.
Yeah, she got a doll, but my life doll. It's not an American. It looks like an American Girl doll, but it's a My Life doll.
Look.
It looks to me
I
like
don't even need
you got,
that. Anyways, I don't even need that. I already built it all. Well, Cranston did.
you got this looks like
Okay, well, I'm ending this little video right here. Okay, I need to stop. Well, I need to rest my arm somewhere, and my arm is not resting it very well
Oh, no, Mom,
right
you
now.
have potatoes out.
But yeah,
Alright, so,
if you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up and stuff, subscribe to it if you actually really love this video. If why did you do that? She put water all over my phone. I hope it doesn't affect my phone. I've splattered lots of water on my phone before. It never done anything, but I don't know. Anyways, comment down below what you want to be when you grow up. I want to be a fashion designer, maybe a YouTuber from that if I have enough, you know, work time, something. I don't know. Fashion designing. Hey! Hey! Just ignore that, please. Well then, I'll see you. Stop splatting water on me. Okay, I don't like this.
alright, let me get my dark.
Now you're just splatting it on me purposely.
That's awesome. It's really good.
Wherever it is, I'm going there.
How do you get such small shrimp?
Oopsie.
You gotta go to.
Well, I'll see you next time. Bye. Now you're just making a mess.
No, I didn't do that on purpose.
Bye.